In this video, I am going to show you how to use gradient effects on shapes in Canva. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to your preferred browser and type canva.com and you will be taken here. Make sure you're logged in into an account. If you're not, just go and log in. I'm just going to create here a page and we're just going to add here the elements or the shapes that you want. So go to elements, click on shape, see all, add all the shapes that you want. So let me just add here, I'm just going to add 4 shapes. Why not? So each one in here, I'm just going to add dots and just going to make them closer little bits. And can I change the color at once? Yes, I can. Or let's just make each one unique color. So this one should be this one I'll make it gray, and this one should be yellow. So to add the gradients, all you need to do, just click on the shape that you want, click on color. Once you click on color, at the bottom, you'll find gradient. So you'll find multiple gradient options. You can go and click on the gradients that you want. And in here, you'll be able to affect or add the gradients that you want. So as you can see here, I'll add these gradients. This one, I'll add on it this gradients. This one, I'll add this gradients. And this one, I'm just gonna add this one. So you can see, I added the gradient effects on these shapes, or I used the gradient effects on these shapes in Canva. So, and that's about it. That's how you use the gradient shape or effects on shape on Canva. If you do have any questions, just drop them down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to help you out.